Welcome to MGM Boats here in Vilamoura Harbour, where we have a 2017 Prestige 450 Fly for sale. We supplied this boat new. It's a one owner boat and the full specification is available on mgmboats.com. It's a short run through video and we have plenty of photographs and technical information if you make a request. Boat has a dinghy sitting on its platform and it's a sort of a fold out system. The dinghy is not part of the sale but can be negotiated separately. Boat has a grill at the back here, a barbecue grill and hot and cold running water, and it's quite handy if you're anchoring off somewhere. You can grill up the fish and the chicken and the meat and you can feed it here into the cockpit. Cockpit has a nice U-shaped seat area. The table is a teak table and it drops down and you can have an extended, then you can see the infill cushion is there, and so you can have a sun lounger here. It's a full teak laid boat, so there's a full teak cockpit, foredeck and top deck. The flybridge overhang here is quite good as well. It comes right into the cockpit and there is a canopy system as well that comes down and will enclose the boat. Set of double doors, patio doors, lockable. All the cushions are very easy. You can take off and put inside, lock the door, so it's quite an easy boat for it. It's an owner-operator boat. Galley is to the starboard side here. It's two hot plates. It has a microwave oven, fridge and freezer unit. Plenty of storage in the overhang and the overhead lockers. It has generator and shore power. So you have shore power and air conditioning, should I say, here in the saloon and in each cabin as well. U-shaped seating in the saloon. This is also a drop down, so you just press this and it drops, and you can make this area into a double bed if you wish, if you have extra people on board. Boat's powered by twin Volvos on the IPS, so you have a joystick drive and it's got a complement of extras and electronics as well. It has a pop-up TV here. The client has Wi-Fi, but you'd have to bring your own dongle, I suppose. They have their own Wi-Fi box, but you just rig in the Wi-Fi and you're up and running with your Netflix and your Apple TV, etc. We go forward into the first cabin, and this bed here is made up as a double, but you can make them into singles. You just slide them across and you've got two singles there. It's good head height inside here, plenty of light coming in, and it's ventable as well. You have vents here and opening hatches in the windows. Stand-up shower and a toilet compartment as well for this cabin. The owner's cabin is aft here, so come out, come down, and it's a full-size cabin as well. There's entry points on either side of the bed, lots of storage lockers. Again, it's a boat that you can leave your personal items on board. You don't have to keep bringing stuff to it. The clients have had a great adventure on this boat for the last number of years. It's got its own toilet and shower as well, and it's a full stand-up shower. You have a fantastic view as well when you're at anchor, and you've got a little porthole as well to let some air in. So as we come out into the cockpit, we go up to the flybridge, and it's an extremely well appointed flybridge. So we've got covers on at the minute, but you've got a dual seat, a dual helm. Everything you have from below is repeated up here. Your joystick and your autopilot and all your electronics. Your seating pops up as well, so you can have two people facing forward as well. And it's a full wraparound seating area with a really big table as well. It's quite a large table. On the foredeck, we have foredeck cushions, and again, they just have a cover on them. They just cover over them, and as you can see, as I said earlier in the video, it's a full teak inlay on the entire boat. There is a full tonneau system, so these bars come out and there's a nice cover that covers a nice shade. That's just stored for the winter. The boat's been very well kept. It's been maintained here in Portugal by a local company, a service company, who step aboard every 3 weeks, wash the boat, start the engines, just general gardenage. So the boat's available from mgmboats.com.